Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to be opening up my FrockBox. And this is my May 2019 FrockBox. FrockBox is a fashion subscription box. They are local to where I live. They're out of St. Albert. I'm in the Edmonton area here in Alberta, Canada. So it's awesome to be able to find a subscription box so close to home. I am not affiliated with them whatsoever. I pay for it on my own, and I'm doing a full year of trying out FrockBox, seeing what the clothes are like, and showing you what the service is like. So let's get into my May FrockBox. As usual, they sent 5 different items for me to try out. They suggest some pairing combinations. You get 5 business days to try on the clothes, decide what you want to keep, and send back the rest. Shipping is included with your subscription box. The sub is $24.95 per box, which includes the shipping and the stylist fee. And then you can pick how expensive you want your clothes to be. I chose no budget limit just to see what offerings they have, if the high-end items are worth the high-end prices, and maybe halfway through the box I can try lowering that to something a little bit more realistic to what I can afford. If you keep all 5 items in the box, you get 25% off the total cost of that box. Otherwise, if you keep an item, you just pay whatever price that item is, less the $24.95 styling fee. So with that, let's get into it. Let's check out this month's FrockBox. Okay, and the first item is this jumpsuit. It's described as the Gilly floral print capri jumper, and it reminds me a lot of like a karate gi or something that you would wear in like some sort of like martial arts outfit, or like Dragon Ball Z. What am I saying? I don't know. It's got this lovely floral pattern on it, and it's this very daring mustard color. The waistband is elasticated, and you get in and out of the suit through the waistband. You go in through the collar and pull it up. It is made out of 100% polyester, and it's hand wash. This is the large size from the brand Gilly. It's designed in the USA and made in Guatemala, and it retails for $70. It also has a tie that you can tie up along the waist. It's fully detachable, so you can tie it in the front or the back, whatever takes your fancy. The fit is great. I'm not too sure how cute I look in a jumper, especially with my tummy. And I can imagine going to the bathroom in this one would be pretty high maintenance. You would literally have to strip down to go to the toilet. One thing I will say for quality wise, like, it seems very well made, it's very nice, but there's a lot of like fraying threads on the collar and on the drawstring. So while it looks lovely, I'm not too sure this is like a $70 piece, just looking at those little smaller details. I could see myself paying less than $70 for this, or getting like a better quality item for that $70. But overall, really cute, great start. Something I would never try on by myself in a store, so it was a lot of fun to try that one on. The next 2 items they suggested I pair together is this mustard ruffle neck top with a lace accent, as well as these Dex flared trouser pants. So this mustard yellow top is another top from West Moon. These are made in Los Angeles. It is 100% polyester again. You hand wash in cold water. It's made in the USA. This is a large size, and it retails for $40. It's got some lovely details along the sleeves, and it's got a cute little like shaping detail, bust dart, on the side of this like very boxy top. And the cute ruffle collar and cute color and cute button detail at the back. But the fit on this one just wasn't the best. It was really tight in the shoulders, getting it on and off, and even just like moving around in the shirt. So unfortunately, this one was just not a great fit on me. But I do like the color, and I do like this style. And the other item were these pants. So So these are kind of like dress pants. Dex, I guess, is a suit shop out of New York. The pants are made in China. They're 55% cotton, 41% polyester, 4% spandex, and lined with polyester. They are dry clean only, and this was a size large. The fit is really nice. I don't know if they're like the perfect cut and style for my body, but the pattern is really cute. It reminds me of like ugly hotel carpet, which I think is really cute, and I think it matched the shirt that they paired with it really, really well. It's got belt loops and pockets along the front, fake pockets in the back. They are pretty long, but paired with these heels, they are the perfect length. So pretty cute, and the pants are $49.99, which I think is a pretty reasonable price for a nice set of pants. And the last two items are this sleeveless top with arm fringe detail. This is from BB Dakota. It's a size large and it's made in China. It's just a pretty basic black tank top sort of deal. But on the side it's actually got this like bead detail, which is really cute. Kind of subtle, but also quite noticeable. It's only on the very top of the sleeve, so it's nice and comfortable to wear. It kind of reminds me of like armpit hair or something on the outside, or like being a flapper. I don't know. It's really cute. I like it a lot. Button closure on the back again. This one is 100% rayon. It's made in China, and it's again dry clean only. It's kind of got a rough texture on the outside and a very lovely, smooth, silky other side to it, which is pretty nice. It seems like a really nice quality garment. But along with that nice quality comes a super high price tag. This is an $80 top, which I would not. I can't pay $80 for this, you guys. It's just way outside of my budget. It's a cute tank, but yeah, I just can't afford that. And the item that they suggested I pair with it is this button detail ruffle skirt, which is this blush pink colored skirt, and it's a very kind of like haphazard construction. It's actually called Dusty Pink, and this is an extra large skirt. It's got these fabulous buttons down the front, and you can unbutton them all the way down, and it's actually a wrap skirt. Now, this is not the skirt for me. It is way too small. As you can see, everything is just like barely held together. I look like a sausage mermaid combo, unfortunately. I really do like how strange looking this skirt is. It looks very almost homemade, or like very quirky. It just doesn't line up quite right. It just looks a little bit off, but I think it's really charming and can look really cute and put together if it was a nicer fit. And as you can see here, I actually popped off that inner securing button, so that's not a good sign. I was able to find the button and mail it back, but yeah, that's not a good sign. This skirt is also $64.99, so paired with the fit, maybe I would have kept it if it was, you know, a better fit and it looked a little bit more flattering, but unfortunately that one just did not work out, which again is something I think when you're styling curvy girls completely blind, it's really tough to do. So I don't hold it against them, but it is like a little bit demoralizing to have buttons popping off when you're trying on your beauty subscription box. But I mean, any size can have that problem, right? So if I had decided to keep all 5 items in the box, the grand total would have been $303.96, less the $24.95 styling credit. And if I'd kept everything, I would have gotten an additional 25% off for a grand total of $203.02. However, I, of course, am not keeping everything, as you saw. Nothing really stands out as being like, aha, I'm going to keep that. Except I think maybe the pants, kind of a boring item, but I can see it working with some of the other items I have in my closet. And $49.95 if we take off the styling fee that I've already like invested in the box. It's not that expensive. I think it's going to be the most like value for my money. The jumper was really, really tempting, but I just don't think it's quite practical enough for me to wear regularly, and I think $70 again is just not a price I'm comfortable paying for that quality of an item. If it was like $40 or maybe $49.99, I could definitely see myself springing for it, but $70, I don't know if it's ethically sourced or anything. Like, I just think that's a little bit overpriced, unfortunately. So that's everything. I'm gonna package everything up and mail it back to FrockBox. Again, it was a ton of fun trying everything on. I got to use the shoes that they sent me in last month's bag, which was super fun. I'm really loving those shoes a lot. I cannot believe how well those shoes worked out. So I'm gonna hop online, fill out their little survey about each piece of clothes, and await my next box of FrockBox. So with that, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below for more beauty and fashion, mostly beauty videos here on my channel. I put out new beauty videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Make sure you check out my other FrockBox try-ons, especially if you're Canadian and interested in trying out a fashion subscription service. And if you know of any other Canadian fashion subscription box services, definitely leave a comment down below so that everybody else can check them out. Huge shout out to my patrons who help make these videos possible. Huge thanks to you for watching, and I will see you all in my next beauty video. Bye!